In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your videos in stunning 4K resolution using Capcut. Whether you're aiming to showcase your creative projects in the highest quality or simply want to elevate the clarity of your visuals, I'll guide you through this process in just a few simple steps. Let's start by opening Capcut. If you're already familiar with navigating the app, you know this part is quite straightforward. Just open the application and make sure you've completed your edit. It's essential to double check your final touches, ensuring everything flows perfectly because once you export in 4K, you'll want everything to look just right. Once you're satisfied with your edit, the next step is to locate the export icon. In Capcut, this icon can be found at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to exporting and sharing your masterpiece. Go ahead and tap on it. Upon tapping the export icon, you'll be presented with various settings. This is where the magic happens. Look for the resolution settings and choose 4K. Now, it's possible that 4K may not be available on all devices or in every instance, so make sure your device supports it. The 4K resolution setting is crucial for those crisp, high-quality visuals that truly make your video stand out. Next, you'll come across the frame rate options. Although adjusting the frame rate is optional, I recommend setting it to 60 frames per second for a smoother playback experience. This higher frame rate can be especially beneficial for videos with a lot of movement, as it provides a more fluid visual experience for your audience. Now that you've set the resolution and possibly adjusted the frame rate, the final step is to tap on Export. By doing so, you're saving your video in glorious 4K resolution, ready to be shared with the world. Remember, exporting in higher quality might take a little longer depending on the length and complexity of your video, so a tad of patience can go a long way. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your video in 4K on Capcut, setting the stage for higher quality content that's sure to impress. Whether it's for a personal project, a professional showcase, or just to preserve special moments in the best quality possible, knowing how to navigate these settings can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you in your future editing endeavors. Keep experimenting and creating amazing content, and until next time, happy editing.